Hi everyone. I work as a data analyst assisting folks throughout the complete digital analytics lifecycle from data collection to validation and reporting and analysis. So I was recently having a discussion with my colleague where she asked me to take help in your day-to-day tasks from a genius called Adam. So when I asked her about this genius Adam, so she very interestingly explained me that Adam is not the first guy on the planet from the Garden of Eden. Adam actually stands for AI-driven analytics lifecycle management, an agentic AI architecture that's been abstracted under a chatbot-based UI, that's there to assist the folks throughout the complete digital analytics lifecycle. And today I've finally got access to this UI, and I'm quite interested and excited, to test this Adam. And what I've got to know from my first interaction with Adam is that it actually has a lot of tools, that can help me throughout the complete digital analytics lifecycle. Like I can see the tools that are related to the reporting and the analysis stage of the data lifecycle, where I can fetch and analyze certain reports from an analytics solution like GA4. I can see certain tools that are related to running some JavaScript code on the web pages or checking if the network requests or the HTTP requests are correctly triggering on the website or not. So these are more aligned towards the stage number 2 of the data lifecycle, where I'm doing all the validation stuff, and yes, some tag management related stuff as well, where I can optimize the data collection side of the things. So let us quickly do one thing. So I've been given a task to check the data layer and the GA4 requests on this website. So this website has the digital data layer, and let me quickly check if Adam is able to assist me in this task. So let us quickly ask Adam to check if the digital data layer is correctly implemented on this website or not. And yep, so I can at least clearly see that the digital data object is present on this website, and it's actually having a page sub-object that's having the field's name and type. Let us see if this genius is able to test this or not. Okay, so it says that the task is completed successfully. The target URL was this. I gave it just 2 seconds just to be doubly sure that the data layer would be completely loaded by that time. And yes, the data layer object is found. Nice, Adam. So yep, it's able to kind of correctly determine that the data layer is present on the website. The data layer object verification was successful. The web page has a functioning digital data object that can be used for digital analytics implementation. Nice job, Adam. Let's test you one more time. Are you smart enough to kind of help me test if all the GA4 requests are correctly triggering on the website? So help me check what all GA4 requests trigger on this website in 5 seconds. And while the time it fetches it, let me fetch those requests from my end as well. So I'll just quickly reload this URL once, and I'll see what all requests come on the web page with the page load. Yep, so I've already added the filter of collect question mark v equals to 2, and I can see one GA4 request here. Nice. And it's a successful request with the status code of 204. And let's see what Adam comes up with. Okay, so I successfully monitored the website, and so it monitored for 5 seconds what I asked it, and it has captured all the GA4 requests that are filtered by collect v2, and the total GA4 requests found were 1. Filter applied was this, and this is the request that it has identified. Nice, Adam. And it also seems to have done some sort of analysis for me, where it's telling me that, okay, that this was a page view request because the event name parameter is page view. It has also correctly captured the page title, that's my dummy website. So yep, interesting, Adam. My dummy website is the title here. Page URL, okay, is correct, and it has correctly identified it from the DL parameter. It has also identified certain custom parameters within the event parameters, session ID and client ID as well. So interesting. So this seems to be a very good solution indeed. And yep, I am. It seems to be a good solution, and yeah, I guess it would be a good add-on in my day-to-day arsenal of assisting clients, throughout the complete digital analytics lifecycle.